Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this Epson Document Camera right here. The specific model number of this Epson Document Camera is ELPDC07. Once again, it is ELPDC07. It is an absolutely awesome unit, and I'm going to review it for you in this video. Let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you take a look right here, it is rather compact. It comes with a carrying case. It's fairly small, okay, when it is folded down, but when you raise it up, it actually gets really large, and it does a good job at portraying a good area for the document camera to display. So it's very easy to set up, first of all, and connect. Really easy. It only took a matter of a couple minutes to get it set up. And then to open up and to actually use is super easy as well. So essentially you can pop this side out over here. Let me just, give me 1 second. I'm just trying to get a good grip over here. I'll pull this part up first just to make it a little bit easier. So you can pull this arm up over here and you can pop it out of place like that. I'm gonna angle the camera upwards. Just give me a moment over here. Okay, so as you can see right here, you can pop that top part up and then you can extend the upper arm out like that. Okay, give me 1 moment. I'm just going to give it a little bit more of a view over here. And then you can rotate it outwards like that. And right now what you have is a great document camera area. And then there's a little leg down here that you can sort of pull out on this side over here, and it just gives it some additional balance. So I'm going to raise up the camera and give you a better view of what I'm talking about. Right here, as you can see, we now have an area. This is high up enough that you're going to get a good perspective, and obviously you can make it, perfectly straight. I'm just going like this so it's easier to see the length of the arm of the document camera. It's really sturdy. As you can see, I'm tapping the top. It's not going anywhere because of that little leg right there. It makes the world of a difference. Now I'm going to show you some of the features of this unit because it's absolutely awesome. So you can see right here, it has a built-in microphone. That is the microphone port right there. Okay, if I turn it to the side over here, you can see that you can rotate this, and this will allow you to have either a landscape or a portrait view. So you can rotate the camera lens over here one way or the other, okay? And it'll give you a landscape or a portrait view, which is absolutely awesome, okay? And the arm also rotates, as you can see right there, which is absolutely fantastic. Now let's take a look at some of the buttons that we have over here. So essentially, on the side over here, you have a USB connection. Right over there, you have a couple switches. You have a switch for the flicker reduction, okay, for the number of hertz, and you have a switch for the microphone on or off right there. You can access those switches by sort of getting something that will allow you to flick the levers, because it's kind of hard to see, but there are levers inside of there, but they're recessed. So you have to sort of get something that will access those levers, okay? But you're not going to really be changing them all the time. You're just going to like set them in one position, and you're pretty much going to leave them like that. Moving on to the buttons that you can see right here. Okay, source search, very simplistic and straightforward. You're searching for the source. This button allows you to illuminate and brighten whatever you're looking at. This allows you to zoom in and zoom out. This allows you to focus on the image at hand, and this allows you to freeze that image. Okay, really easy to use with the software that you can get for the document cameras. There's a couple of different softwares that you can get for document cameras, so you can kind of choose whichever one works best for you, your operating system, and your computer. Overall, it's fantastic. I mean, if you're looking for a document camera, this is one that I would highly recommend because it's just so easy to use. It's the form is amazing, the functionality is amazing. When you're done with it, you fold it down like that, and you can just click it in place, just like that, and you're done. Look at the size of this. Fold the arm in. Look at this. Look, there you go. You're good to go. You can just carry it around with you. It's that simple. Okay, that's basically it. That is my review of this Epson Document Camera. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.